Imagine a world where luxury has no limits, where the sea becomes your personal paradise, and your home is a billion-dollar floating mansion. Welcome aboard the most expensive yacht ever owned by a billionaire, a vessel that's not just a marvel of engineering but a symbol of unimaginable wealth. This isn't your average luxury boat. It's a private island on water, stretching over 500 feet long and packed with amenities so exclusive, only the top tier of the world's elite will ever experience them. Built to reflect the personality and power of its billionaire owner, this yacht represents the pinnacle of seabound extravagance. Step inside and you're greeted by a grand entrance hall featuring a spiral staircase wrapped in glass and gold. The interiors feel more like a royal palace than a ship. Think crystal chandeliers imported from Italy, walls lined with mother of pearl, and hand-carved wooden panels sourced from the rarest forests. The main lounge is an open-concept masterpiece with panoramic windows, velvet furnishings, and a ceiling that mimics a starlit sky with real Swarovski crystals. The yacht features an onboard cinema, an art gallery displaying pieces worth millions, and a spa that offers everything from deep tissue massages to cryotherapy. There's a fully equipped fitness center overlooking the ocean, an indoor swimming pool with a retractable glass roof, and even a snow room for contrast therapy. For business on the go, there's a private boardroom with encrypted satellite connections and luxury leather seating. The master suite is a world of its own, occupying an entire deck with a private elevator, a king-sized rotating bed for optimal sunrise views, a marble bathtub with a panoramic ocean window, and a walk-in wardrobe that rivals a luxury boutique. Guest cabins are equally opulent, each offering bespoke decor and smart technology that adapts to individual preferences. Outside, multiple jacuzzis, sun decks, and a helicopter landing pad ensure the wide,